Brabus 800. Again, the same engine as the two cars before. Normally it's the Mercedes S63 AMG modified by Brabus. Beautiful tiny carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber diffuser with carbon fiber exhaust. Carbon fiber vents right here. Carbon fiber mirrors, Mercedes-Benz. I love little latches like this. Alright, Mercedes-Benz again here. Carbon fiber front bumper with little Brabus logo right here, and let's look into the interior. Alright, so as you can see, the interior is absolutely magnificent. Again, every possible surface is either leather, wood, Alcantara or other premium material. The steering wheel is all metal or leather. There is a Brabus right on the headrest, Brabus logo right here as well. Everything is super premium perforated leather in this beautiful brown cream and black combo. Alright, so this is the bi-turbo 800 S63